What is your name?
My name is Elisa.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from Brazil.
Where do you live?
I live in Agata.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Are you married?
No, I am not married.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and Spanish.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books.
When do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 6 a.m.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Do you make your bed?
Yes, I make my bed every morning.
What do you do after waking up?
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Do you clean your room?
Yes, I clean it once a week.
What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 7 a.m.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I take a shower every morning.
Where do you live?
I live in a small apartment.
Do you watch TV in the evening?
Yes, I watch TV for 1 hour.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook simple meals.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I drink tea.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
Do you eat vegetables?
Yes, I eat vegetables every day.
What do you want for lunch?
I want rice and chicken.
Do you like sweets?
Yes, I like sweets.
Do you eat at home or outside?
I eat at home.
What do you drink with dinner?
I drink water.
Do you eat fruits?
Yes, I eat fruits every morning.
Can you cook rice?
Yes, I can cook rice.
Where is the frying pan?
It is on the shelf.
Do you wash the dishes?
Yes, I wash them after dinner.
Is the water boiling?
Yes, it is boiling now.
Do you cut vegetables?
Yes, I cut vegetables for cooking.
Is the fridge full?
Yes, it is full of food.
Where do you keep the sugar?
I keep it in the cupboard.
Do you need a spoon?
Yes, I need a spoon.
Is the kitchen clean?
Yes, the kitchen is clean.
Do you know how to make tea?
Yes, I know how to make tea.
Which class are you in?
I am in class 6.
Do you like your school?
Yes, I like my school.
Who is your English teacher?
My English teacher is Mr. John.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Do you study every day?
Yes, I study for 2 hours every day.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by bus.
Do you eat lunch at school?
Yes, I eat lunch at school.
Do you have homework?
Yes, I have homework today.
Do you wear a uniform?
Yes, I wear a uniform.
Do you play with your friends?
Yes, I play after school.
Where do you buy vegetables?
I buy them at the market.
How much are the apples?
They are $2 per kilo.
Do you need a bag?
Yes, I need a bag.
Do you like fresh fruit?
Yes, I like fresh fruit.
What do you want to buy today?
I want to buy tomatoes.
Is the market busy?
Yes, the market is very busy.
Do you buy meat from the market?
Yes, I buy meat there.
Do you want bananas?
Yes, I want 1 kilo of bananas.
Is this fish fresh?
Yes, it is fresh.
Where is the fruit shop?
It is next to the bakery.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping.
What are you looking for?
I am looking for a new shirt.
What size are you?
I am size medium.
Do you want to try it on?
Yes, I want to try it.
Is it too expensive?
No, the price is okay.
Do you need help?
Yes, I need help finding shoes.
Do you like this color?
Yes, I like this color.
Where is the cashier?
The cashier is on the right.
Do you want a receipt?
Yes, please give me a receipt.
Are there any discounts?
Yes, there is a discount today.
Can I see the menu, please?
Yes, here is the menu.
What do you want to order?
I want to order chicken soup.
Do you want something to drink?
Yes, I want a glass of water.
Is the food tasty?
Yes, it is very tasty.
Do you want dessert?
Yes, I want ice cream.
Is the restaurant full?
Yes, it is full today.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I like spicy food.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am ready.
Can I have the bill, please?
Yes, here is your bill.
Do you want to sit inside or outside?
I want to sit outside.
How do you go to school?
I go by bus.
Do you have a bicycle?
Yes, I have a bicycle.
Where is the bus stop?
It is near the park.
What time is the train?
The train is at 7:30.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I like traveling.
Do you take a taxi sometimes?
Yes, I sometimes take a taxi.
Is the bus late?
Yes, the bus is late.
Where are you going?
I am going to the city center.
Do you have a ticket?
Yes, I have a ticket.
How long is the journey?
It is 1 hour.
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you.
Are you tired?
Yes, I am a little tired.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I exercise 3 times a week.
Do you drink enough water?
Yes, I drink a lot of water.
Are you sick?
Yes, I have a cold.
Do you need medicine?
Yes, I need some medicine.
Are you feeling better now?
Yes, I feel better now.
Do you sleep well at night?
Yes, I sleep well.
Are you stressed?
No, I am relaxed.
Do you want to rest?
Yes, I want to rest a little.
What pet do you have?
I have a small cat.
What is your cat's name?
Her name is Mimi.
Where does your pet sleep?
It sleeps on my bed.
What food does your pet eat?
It eats fish and rice.
How often do you play with your pet?
I play with it every evening.
Why do you like animals?
Because they make me happy.
Which animal is your favorite?
My favorite animal is the dog.
Where do you see birds in the morning?
I see them on the trees near my home.
Do you have a dog?
No, I don't have a dog.
Are you afraid of big animals?
Yes, a little.
What do you want to buy today?
I want to buy some fruit.
How much money do you have?
I have $10.
Where do you usually shop?
I shop at the city market.
When do you go shopping?
I go shopping on weekends.
Why do you like this shop?
Because the prices are good.
Which bag do you want?
I want the black one.
How many apples do you need?
I need 2 kilos of apples.
Do you want to pay by cash?
Yes, I want to pay by cash.
Is the price too high?
No, it is okay.
Can I get a small discount?
Yes, you can get a little discount.
What do you cook for lunch?
I cook rice and vegetables.
Where do you keep the spices?
I keep them in the top shelf.
How often do you cook at home?
I cook almost every day.
What is your favorite dish to make?
My favorite dish is chicken curry
Why do you like cooking?
because it is relaxing.
Which fruit do you eat most?
I eat bananas most.
When do you eat dinner?
I eat dinner at 8 p.m.
Do you use oil in cooking?
Yes, I use a little oil.
Is your kitchen big or small?
My kitchen is small.
Can you make tea?
Yes, I can make tea.
Where do you want to travel this year?
I want to travel to Thailand.
When do you take holidays?
I take holidays in December.
How do you travel to your hometown?
I travel by bus.
Why do you want to visit this country?
Because it has beautiful beaches.
Which city do you like the most?
I like Dhaka the most.
Who do you travel with?
I travel with my family.
What things do you pack first?
I pack clothes first.
Do you enjoy long trips?
Yes, I enjoy them.
Is your passport ready?
No, I need to renew it.
Can you show me your ticket?
Yes, here it is.
What subject do you study today?
I study English today.
When is your exam?
My exam is next week.
Where do you sit in the classroom?
I sit in the second row.
Who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Mr. Paul.
How long do you study every day?
I study for 1 hour.
Why do you learn English?
Because it is important.
Which book do you use?
I use the Easy English book.
Do you study at night?
Yes, sometimes.
Is your homework difficult?
No, it is easy.
Can you help me with this question?
Yes, I can help you.
Where do you live?
I live in a small house.
What does your bedroom look like?
It is simple and clean.
Where do you keep your clothes?
I keep them in a cupboard.
What color is your sofa?
My sofa is brown.
How many rooms are in your house?
There are 4 rooms.